You know, as a professional traveler for over 25 years, if there's anything that I've learned how to do, it's how to pack a suitcase. Sometimes we're going to be gone 14, 18 days. How do we ever pack in a suitcase for that long a time? Especially the way the airlines are restricting us by weight and by size of our luggage. Well, listen, the simplest thing I can tell you is, number one, is you don't need all those clothes. You will come to find out, especially if you haven't traveled that much, you will find that you hardly wear all of the things that you take. So you're not going to need that many things. You're just not going to need them. Don't worry about taking so many things. Thing two is one of the most important things that goes in my suitcase is clothespins. Now you're probably going, Patti, Beth, why do you take clothespins when you travel? Well, that's because I certainly don't take 14 pairs of underwear, 14 pairs of socks. I take a very limited number and then I do my laundry along the way. In fact, my roommates laugh at me because I throw them in the bottom of the shower, stomp with my feet while I'm doing my shampoo, get them nice and clean, wring them out in the towel, and then hang them on the little clothesline that's in your bathroom or on the towel bar or on the towel itself, and then you'll have clean things to wear all the way through the trip without dragging all those dirty undies up and down the road for 2 weeks. Clothespins are also handy because you've probably been in that hotel room that the curtains didn't quite go together. Well, you've got your clothespin so you can give yourself a little blackout there and not have that problem. There are other reasons to carry a good clothespin in your bag, and one of those might just be to help you remember. You can take your clothespin, put it on your name tag or on your handbag or on your tennis shoe. The next morning you're going to go, why did I do that? And you'll remember that you left that envelope of tip cash or that passport inside your safe in your room. You can't beat a good clothespin when you're out there on the road. Never leave home without a good clothespin.